Wife anaitwaje?
Yeah.
Aitagwa te?
Tell them your name, baby.
Jetagwa Sarah wa Efraimu.
Sarah wa Efraimu.
Kana Sarah Ibrahim.
Oh, Sarah
Ibrahim, yeah.
Yes.
Gathemba.
Oh, Gathemba.
Wow.
Yeye ni Ibrahim na kana Sarah.
How has been your marriage?
It has been amazing.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, he's such a darling.
Wow. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and he gets home mapema.
He's the best husband.
Oh,
wow.
We thank God.
Wow. And he takes you to
we just came from Dubai.
Oh, you have the passport?
With no passport.
Mutina muhetinera
Hauna passport, babe.
Alaga.
We were using hands.
But you know, there are so many Dubais.
Yeah.
If you've been to Malindi,
Yeah.
The boys.
at Mamui place, it's called Small Dubai.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the Dubai I was talking about.
It is the boys.
The bull shut up.
Okay. Are you guys
Bull is such a hater.
Yeah, he is. Today he has really punched on Ibrahim.
Chef Gathemba ni atabũrithĩtie mũtumia wake live gwa Kameme na arakiuga rĩtwa rĩake ni Sarah Ibrahim Gathemba. Augĩte kĩhiko gĩake gĩkoretwo kĩ amazing mũno na Gathemba akoretwo the best husband. Okaga mũciĩ tene na nĩamũtwaraga out mũno. Na akiuga marakoretwo mauma Dubai no Baby Top amaka mũno na kũria Gathemba kayagĩire passport no mũtumia agĩtheria nauga Dubai nĩ nyingĩ. Akorwo nĩ ũrĩ wathiĩ Malindi gwĩ kũndũ gwĩtagwo Dubai kanini na kwĩ andũ magĩũkĩte comment section. Phyllis niashangila na akauga wow, I love this. For once Gathemba introduce bibi yake hata siku anajua ni yeye. Nake Karo niashangila na love emojis na akauga to the world.